In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display Elementor slider from templates for free. We'll build a clean, responsive image slider using only the free version of Elementor, so you won't need any paid add-ons. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the sidebar, open Pages, then pick the page where you want the slider to appear. Click Edit with Elementor to launch the visual editor. Inside Elementor, open the Elements panel and type Carousel into the search bar. From the results, drag the image carousel widget onto your page where you want the slider to live. As soon as it's placed, click the plus icon to add images. You can upload new images or choose items from your media library. If you already have a collection you like, you can use that. Otherwise, select the images now and continue. Create a new gallery with your selected images, arrange them in the order you prefer, then insert the gallery. A quick tip here, add descriptive alt text to each image for accessibility and better SEO, and try to use optimized image sizes to keep your page fast. Now it's time to configure the slider. In the content settings, adjust slides to show to control how many images are visible at once. For example, 3 or 4 can look great on desktop, and you can change this per device later. Slides to scroll determines how many images advance with each swipe or click. 1 or 2 creates a smooth experience. Choose your navigation style: arrows, dots, both, or none. Arrows help users move precisely. Dots are great for indicating progress. Next, decide whether to enable image stretch. Leave it off to keep original aspect ratios, or turn it on if you need every slide to fill the same height. Then pick the image size that best fits your layout, such as medium, large, or full, balancing sharpness with performance. From here, explore customization to refine the look and behavior. You can space slides evenly, toggle autoplay, pause on hover, enable infinite looping, and fine-tune transition speed for a smoother feel. Consider adding captions or links if your images need context or should lead somewhere. In the Style tab, adjust colors, typography, borders, and hover effects to match your brand. Don't forget responsiveness. Use the device icons to set different values for desktop, tablet, and mobile, so the slider looks great everywhere. When you're happy with the result, click Publish. If the page was already live, you'll see Update instead. Preview the page on the front end to make sure the slider runs smoothly, and test it on mobile. That's it, your free Elementor slider is ready to go.